November 5th, 2011, Dos Gringos food cart construction progress. What I got done today was that I drilled out the metal for this side, screwed it on, put the trim on. I gotta go get some shorter screws to finish screwing it in. And then I drilled the holes out for the light, poked the wires through for that light, broke off some bits, so I gotta go get some more bits. Finished putting on the trim on this end. Let's see, I cleaned up the glass, pulled the tape off, so I'm not going to put another coat of paint on these. And I was going to cut the wood for this side today. I didn't do that yet. I may still do that today. Not sure. Got to run to the hardware store. Maybe I'll do that after I get back from the hardware store. But it's not looking half bad. So that's it for today. Well, I may cut the wood yet and start cutting out the other side and finish screwing off that trim, but that'll probably be about it.